Let's add a comment to a collection in Postman. On the left, I have an example collection. Click on the collection next to the name to open the Overview tab. And on the right, this context bar that expands out from the side, the second option here is Comments. Here's where I can add a comment to this collection. I can use @ to mention somebody on my Postman team. I can use markdown to format my comment to make it a little bit easier to read. So I can add a comment to this collection, and I can also add a comment to a request. Let's load up this post request. Once again, if I want to add a comment to this request, I can use the context bar on the right. In that second option, I can add a comment. But for requests, you can actually drill down a little bit deeper. So let's go to the Body tab. And say we're looking at this request body and we have a question about this property here. In the top right, we're here in the pencil mode. Go ahead and switch to comment mode. And remember, you can add a comment here at the request level, or you can drill down a little bit deeper. In this case, I'm going to highlight the area where I have a question, and I'm going to tag my coworker Arlemy and ask him, shouldn't this be a string? And add a comment. And so Arlemy, once he gets tagged, is going to be notified either through an email or through the notifications bell in the top right. And we can have a threaded comment here. And once it's been resolved, I can go ahead and clean it up. Go ahead, try it out and add a comment to either a collection or a request in Postman.